my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video what I have with me is the Kitchenart Fresh Palak Gourmet Gravy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly prepare this gravy. So before that, let's talk about the packaging of it. It comes packaged in this plastic pouch right here with the Catch branding on top. We have Kitchenart written here, and the name of this gravy is Fresh Palak Gourmet Gravy. Now, what are the best things about this is that there is no added preservative, premium spices and herbs used, made with olive oil, multi-use gravy. And there's an illustration of the gravy shown here, olive oil shown here, garlic is shown here, and there is palak shown there. Moving on to the back of the pack, it says in ancient times, early man crafted awe-inspiring cave paintings using natural colors created from plants. Today, easy access to multitudes of shades and hues allow modern artists to fully devote themselves in creating masterpieces inspired by philosophy. Inspired by this philosophy, Kitchenart provides you a varied range of layers using only the finest ingredients. Okay, then they have given us the instructions of making the Palak Paneer recipe right here. Now this is net weight is 100 gram guys, and the price of this product is rupees 80. So what I'm going to do today with this is basically I'm going to make this palak pesto spaghetti right now. So let's quickly open it and let's see how the palak gravy looks. I'm just going to quickly cut it. So it says it serves 2 people, this gravy. I already have fried onion and capsicum right here. So I'm just going to pour in the gravy here. And there's ready-made gravy inside this. So you can see this. There's already gravy, like the palak paneer gravy is there inside this. Just going to quickly remove this here. Just removing all the paste from the packet. I'm going to add some water into it as well, so that I get all the paste out of it. Just going to add little by little water, so that the gravy becomes a bit, and it has wholesome flavors and aroma here. So you can see the aroma of the gravy can be felt right here. So I'm just going to quickly add in. So I'm a non-vegetarian, so I'm going to add in some chicken seek here. This is a mezza chicken seek which I fried. I'm going to quickly cut pieces of this into the gravy. This is a multifunctional scissor that I bought from Amazon. I'll left a link for this also in the description. Very helpful in cutting things in the kitchen. From meat to vegetable to fruits, anything you can cut with this scissor. It's a multifunctional scissor. You see me cutting this off. And it also turns into a knife. You can see this. So now I'm just going to mix this up a little, and the end of it, what I'm going to do is just going to put in this spaghetti that I have with my hands. I'm just going to mix this up with the palak gravy that I have. And right now my palak pasta is ready right here. The spaghetti that I made is ready. The Kitchenart Fresh Palak Gourmet Gravy I added to this pasta, and you can see the wonderful green color that it has got from the gravy that I added. Just removing this out, piece out on the spoon. It looks wonderful. And this is how we use the Kitchenart gravy. Basically, I use a Kitchenart fresh Palak gourmet gravy to make this Palak pasta. You can also make Palak Paneer. You have to just pour in this gravy, add some water, and add the fried piece of paneer to it, and you will have your Palak Paneer as well. Very easy to make, and here it's ready. Don't forget to hit the like. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.